If you're looking for a secure VPN and want to get the maximum discount on it, this video will show you the right way to do it. Let's start with ExpressVPN. We're on the official ExpressVPN website. ExpressVPN is one of the most trusted VPN services, known for fast speeds, strong encryption, and reliable privacy protection. It helps secure your internet connection, protects your data on public Wi-Fi, and lets you access global content safely. ExpressVPN works across multiple devices like Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS, and follows a strict no-logs policy with servers in many countries. Now, ExpressVPN does offer discounts, but to unlock the maximum savings, there's one important step. Before choosing a plan, let's switch to Techie Coupons. Now on the Techie Coupons website, here you'll find a dedicated ExpressVPN store page with the latest active and verified ExpressVPN coupon codes. This page clearly explains how to unlock the best deal and which plan gives you the most value. Now let's go back to the ExpressVPN website. Back on ExpressVPN, after visiting the Techie Coupon store page, you'll now see the discounted plans. If you select the 2-year subscription, you'll notice it offers up to 78% off and includes 4 extra months free. This is the maximum discount available on ExpressVPN. Short-term plans are available, but the 2-year plan gives you the lowest monthly price and the biggest savings. Select the 2-year plan and proceed to checkout. On the checkout page, make sure the discount and free months are applied, then complete your payment. That's it. You've successfully unlocked the maximum ExpressVPN discount using Techie Coupons. Before buying any VPN, always visit Techie Coupons to find verified coupon codes, maximum discounts, and full offer details. The link to the ExpressVPN coupon page is available in the description.